welcome to my store. Okay, hold that now. Okay. Aaron, get over back here. Come on, come on. Run around here. This is where the rubber hits the road, or actually the rubber hits the glass. We're going to put a really thick bead.
What if this is an abnormal tank and the bottom is actually, the sides are like on the side of the bottom piece?
Aaron,
Yeah.
Look at the piece of glass that's sitting there right now. I checked to make sure that the ends were even with the ends.
Yeah. Which means it's longer.
Yeah, it would have to be half an inch too short for it to make a difference. Okay, move, son.
I did move. You need a new gun. Well, it's got so rusty.
And somehow this new one won't get rusty?
Yeah.
Aaron, everything in my life is rusty. Look at your hair. Well, come on, everything gets wet, gets rusty. We got you wet a few times.
Were you one of those parents that throws your baby into a pool and see if it can swim?
No, the boy falls in the lake all by himself.
Okay.
We go fishing. I say, Aaron,
Ice fishing.
don't fall in the lake. We're
Ice fishing?
Yeah.
Nice.
And he comes to me and says, Dad, I fell in the lake.
It's so dramatic. Because I didn't want to leave, so I didn't tell him.
Well, when you wanted to leave, you decided to tell me. It's like, well, when did you fall in the lake? Oh, about an hour and a half, 2 hours ago, Dad.
We used to go up to this cottage in Huntsville on a private lake that had a sauna at the end of the dock. And so in the wintertime, we'd cut a hole in the ice, hop in the sauna, and then jump through the hole. It was so invigorating.
Yeah.
But occasionally...
The other word that comes to mind is insane.
Yeah. Occasionally someone would be too drunk, and they wouldn't be able to find the hole after they jumped in. And we'd have to make the hole a lot bigger.
Really fast.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to have to lift it from the top and the side, eh?
It's going to have to be lifted from the top and the side. Aaron's going to set the camera down for a moment so that he can help Chris, and I'll go help the other end. And we got to get it lined up so that the end is even with this and the back is even with that. Okay, everybody ready? Okay. One shot. We're ready here.
We're good. We're in.
Okay, use your fingers right at the corner there. You got it? Okay. Now, you guys hold this all. Okay, hold this down here. And I'm going to go get.
Yeah, good, Wilf.
I'm good.
Yeah, now's not a time to be bad. Okay, I guess we'll do this end first. Let's put some tape on that. That'll help.